Hello. Hey, girl. Yeah. We just sitting around waiting on this Uber. We'll be over there after a while. What y'all doing?
Oh, we just
Oh, okay. Well, y'all stay in this area. Try not to get dirty.
alright.
Girl, I know I don't got time on that. Let me get out this phone so I can see what time this Uber comes.
What time is it coming, bro?
Okay. We got about 3 more minutes. It'll be in a few minutes. Okay, y'all. That's him. He pulling up now.
Where's the Uber?
Okay, y'all. Come on. Let's go.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Pretty good.
Y'all all right back there? Yeah, man, sorry I was a little late, man. You know, it was a little traffic. You know, this coronavirus and stuff going on.
I know.
You know what I mean? Y'all listen to rap? Y'all like rap? Yeah, I'm a rapper, man. I just did a new song, man. I want y'all to check it out. Is it mind if I play it?
No, oh, man.
Okay. This is what he knew. He coughing on the track. I said, yeah, I've been rapping and stuff, man. Yeah, but I like to hear, and I'm finna let y'all hear one of them. What number is it? Let's see, not that number. It's a nice little song I just did. Wait, man. Oh, number 2.
Oh my God.
Hey, where y'all going? Where they going? Oh, that's the phone. This is the coronavirus skit. The Uber. Forgot what title we had, but you know, basically the skit is about the coronavirus. Basically, you know, kind of like making fun of it or whatnot, but it's really not a funny situation. It's real serious. You know, it's global, and just let y'all know how serious it really is. But you know, through it all, we still can put a little humor in it. And, you know, I just want everybody to know that you need to be safe out there. Do what the government telling you. Know it's best to stay in to get this thing cleared up. You know, the more we go out, try to party and you know, be over Junebug and Bub and saving them house back, we can't get this stuff cleared up, man. So, and it's really spreading like at a rapid pace. So, and to the ones who lost their people during this coronavirus epidemic, I just want to say my condolences goes out to you and your family. And, you know, I just want to tell all my loved ones, all my Facebook friends, my YouTubers, just everybody, just stay safe out there, man. It's your boy Charlie Wizon, man. And one thing, I just hope y'all enjoy the skit, you know, and it'll get better, man. Y'all be safe. I'm out.
Hi everybody, my name's Tanel.
Hi, my name's Art.
We live in Northern California in a small town, and we have 2 children. We just, some of the things that we're doing to stay safe is basically keeping the social distancing. The social distancing for me has been extremely hard because I miss my mom. I haven't been able to see her physically for 3 weeks, but I am so thankful for FaceTime and Facebook and such that we have been able to encourage each other by using those methods. Art, you want to tell us kind of some of the things that...
Yeah, some of the things they're also talking about, besides what Danelle said about social distancing, you also want to wear a mask if you go out in public. You also want to wash your hands all the time. And if you have to cough and sneeze, they give you 2 options, one into your elbow, or the other one, move your shirt out and sneeze into your shirt.
That was my idea.
It works. It's very safe.
Also, you know, if you have 5 rolls of toilet paper and you go to the store and you see one, please don't take it. Leave it for your neighbor.
There you go. Other
Be
people need it.
respectful. But we'd like to encourage you, you know, that we need to be positive through this and support one another. The Bible says that, you know, the power of the tongue can either cause life or death. So we just ask you to uplift others and stay steadfast in your faith, stay strong. Art, do you have anything?
We love you all, and we'll keep you in our prayers. Be safe out there.
Be safe. God bless.
What do I think about the corona? I don't like the corona. I wish the corona never came here. I am a sick person and I'm easy. My immune system is very low. I have heart problems, I have high blood pressure, and I have diabetes. And if I catch the corona, I could easily die. So I've been staying quarantined away from my family, and it makes you feel depressed. I don't like feeling depressed. I've been staying in my room, just watching movies and feeling sick. This corona makes me feel very sick, and I'll be glad when it's gone because I love to be around my family, but I can't be around my family because of this epidemic disease that came into this world. And I just pray that God just deliver all of us that's left here and just wrap his loving arms around us and just protect us each and every day.
Okay, so what's up? My name is Kamaya, and I was asked this interview. And I was just asked how the coronavirus has impacted me and how to stay safe. And honestly, it hasn't really impacted me because all I do is just stay in the house. So I guess that just tells you, I mean, I'm safe from health and everything, so I haven't got the corona, I haven't contacted it from nobody. So I guess, I mean, I could tell you that, you know, staying in the house is, you know, by far the best option. So, you know, that's all I really got, you know, wash your hands real nice. I know 20-second rule, a birthday song or whatever. Gloves, mask if you want, you know. Just, you know, I say do you, to be honest. So, y'all.
Corona.
I don't like corona because I can't go to work.
How has your life been since corona's been here?
It's been to shit because I can't go to work. I mean, I can't make no money. I mean, I can't get paid. I mean, I can't look good because I look good.
So
I get paid. And when I'm not looking good, I don't feel good. And I feel like shit because I don't look good.
So how has your life been? How has you been dealing with corona?
Really, I like being at home. But you can't go nowhere. So I can't like go out to eat. I like to go out to eat. I can't go out to eat. I gotta get everything to go.
Does it make you happy or sad?
It's a love-hate thing. I love being cooped up in the house some days. And some days I want to go out and get some fresh air and go sightseeing.
How does it make you feel about your family members?
What do you mean?
Do you love not being around your family members?
Love not being around my family members?
Yeah.
Do I love being around my family members?
Yes.
Yeah. But I'm asleep all the time, so.
Here we go, y'all. So, sir, what do you think about the coronavirus?
Forget that corona.
So, how have it affected you in your life and your situation?
Drinking more beers.
Drinking more beer. So, what can you tell people out here how to be safe during this time?
Stay in your damn house.
All right.
Jasmine Patterson. Hi, Jasmine.
Hi.
Can you tell me how you feel about the coronavirus?
It's really sad. Impacted my life.
How did it impact your life?
I'm not able to work to my full potential, and kids are out of school, and it's really hard being a stay-at-home teacher to 3 different kids from 3 different grade levels.
Okay, and that's what I was just going to ask you. What has impacted you the most?
What has impacted me the most is just not being able to really go outside and be with family and stuff, because during this time they want us to, stay away just to make sure others are safe. But me, I suffer from mental health issues, and it's my best interest that I be around supportive people. So it's kind of taking a toll on my mental health.
You, ma'am.
Coronavirus affected your life?
I miss church, and I can't go to school. I can't play with my friends. And also, my birthday coming up, I can't have a party, and I can't go to the
How did the coronavirus affect you?
Really not that much, to be honest with you. But now that I'm pregnant, I look up on the internet and I search stuff, read stuff on Facebook. Even though it's funny, I still feel where they come from or whatever. But I heard that pregnant people can catch it faster, so I try to stay in the house, really don't go outside. The only time I go outside is when I need to exercise, to get prepared for birth, because I am 6 months. That's pretty much it.
Okay. So, do you know anyone that was affected by the coronavirus?
To be honest with you, I really didn't take coronavirus serious, because I really didn't know nobody that had coronavirus until one of my recent old friends' grandparents called. And her granny, she survived through it, but her granddaddy passed away. So it opened my eyes to know that it was serious. Like, y'all really need to stay in the house, like, for real.
So, what tips do you give people about being safe? What can you tell them about being safe? How can they stay safe?
In a nutshell, stay in the house. But wash your hands. Saying your ABCs while you wash your hands. That's how long you need to wash your hands. Wash your hands. Hand sanitizer, What else? When you go outside, put a mask on. Me personally, I hate the mask because I can't breathe through it much. But just be cautious. Just
Unity. What do you feel about the coronavirus?
I feel bad.
Why do you feel bad?
Because it's spreading around the world and everybody getting sick.
And how were you impacted by the coronavirus?
Keeping it in China.
How were you impacted? How did it bother you?
Because I don't get to go nowhere no more. I gotta stay in the house. It get boring when you stay in the house for a long time.
Do it!
Thank you so much.
Oh, sir. With this coronavirus thing going on, what you got to say about it?
Well, I gotta say this: the government and we still butting like that. When you see me and you ain't 6 feet apart.
Well,
so
you right about
we ain't really worried about
you sure right about that. So how can you tell the people out there how to be safe about this situation?
Keep living your damn life.
That's what's up.
That's the best way you gonna do it. Keep living your damn life,
Hello,
baby.
Jackson. Hi, Jackson. So, what do you know about the coronavirus? People dying. How does that make you feel? It makes you feel happy. What does it make you feel happy?
So what you think about the coronavirus? You don't like it? It's killing a lot of people. How has it affected your everyday living? Not at all. So what can people do to be safe? Okay. Right. Sanitizer is the most important thing. Alrighty. So tell us what you think about the coronavirus.
Well, what I think in my opinion is that basically people need to just stay in their house, like, bro. Because if you go out, most likely people can get the coronavirus. They said black people can't die from it, so I'm lucky. But yeah, that's basically what I think about it.
So, how has the coronavirus and the quarantine affected your everyday living?
Because I can't go outside that much. You know what I'm saying? You like go outside, dribble basketball, just sit out there. But now I gotta go out there, like, with a mask on or something like that.
So, how soon are you hoping that they find a cure?
In a day.
All right. You good.
So, the coronavirus, well, what I've learned is at school they told us, make sure you wash your hands more than regularly than you usually would on a regular day. Basically, make sure you wash your hands a lot, at least longer than, at least 20 seconds at the most, or at least. And stay indoors. If you do go outdoors, make sure you got an actual safety mask, not one just like paper, but a thin cloth one that basically pour it offline. That way it can't go through your mask and you inhale it. Make sure you stay at least a good amount, at least 6 feet away from people, sometimes more.
So, how has the coronavirus affected your everyday living?
Terrible. It just killed my whole social life, pretty much. Some of my friends, I don't even know, they thought I moved or something. They was like, you not talking to us? Blah, blah. Yeah, basically, quarantine is just, it's terrible. It really is. I'm tired of being in the house. I feel so closed off. I don't know. It's just really,
So, what can you tell the people out there about being safe?
basically, stay in the house and stay clean. The more y'all go outside, the longer we're gonna be on quarantine. So I suggest everybody just stop going outside, stop going to y'all friends' house, and stay indoors. That way, you can stop getting sick. We can know what this is and be safer, and we can get off quarantine. Everybody can have fun this summer.
I think the coronavirus has impacted our world completely, and it's definitely made a big change in our world, and it's definitely going to make history. Being out of school and not being able to go anywhere has been a big change, and not being able to talk to anyone in the real world has been the hard thing. But it's not as bad as you would think. Being indoors is kind of boring, but still, if it's helping us not spread this, then I'm gonna do it. There are lots of people who still want to go out and party and hang out with friends and be dumb, so it's definitely going to still continue to be spreading. I don't think this summer is going to be any fun because this is probably still going to be going on, but I really hope everyone stays safe.
It's your girl Blaze Vaughn from Chicago, Illinois. Just wanted to talk about some of my personal experiences dealing with the coronavirus and COVID-19 and how it affected me and my friends and family. I've had a lot of colleagues and friends that's been laid off of their jobs and been furloughed. They kind of don't know what the future holds for them. Unemployment benefit system wasn't really created for all these applicants, so they're not even getting their benefits. They still have mortgage payments, car payments, rent payments. What I've been doing personally, I'm working on 3 books that can be sold on Amazon. If you got a story to tell, that's another stream of income. Really been reflecting on myself to see how I can be an entrepreneur and how I can make money without being at a 9-to-5, because we have to be able to take our own future in our own hands. I've also been seeing domestic violence rise and increase as far as street violence and murders and killings as well too. So if you feel like you're in that situation because people's temperaments are kind of hot and cold, high and low, there are authorities you can reach out to, as well as different organizations that are willing to help you. Don't ever feel like you're alone. Even though we're isolated, we're not alone. There are people that are still willing to help you in those situations. Best safety practices that I do, because I do have smaller children, when I go out, I make sure not to be in large crowds as much as possible. Make sure and wash my hands, make sure and sanitize my hands. I got bleach. We know they're kind of out of bleach wipes, but bleach, old school, it still works. So you guys keep yourself safe, and thank you for letting me share my experiences with you. Thanks.
Facebook family and friends. I see I have my smiling shirt on today. It's because I'm still smiling in the midst of everything that's going on, in the midst of the storm that's raging around us, the storm coming down outside, and the storms of the coronavirus. But yet, I'm still smiling. Why? Because I'm in the hands of the Lord. Philippians 4:4 says, rejoice in the Lord always. And again, I say rejoice. We have to learn how to rejoice, because when we know that when praises go up, blessings come down. We're always to give God the praise, always thanking him for what he has already done, because we know what God is able to do. We are in God's hand. God is still in control, and I'm thankful for that today. And for that, I can keep a smile on my face. For that, I can tell the Lord, thank you for what he is doing right now. Stop walking around with your heads hung down, and stop feeling sorry for yourself and having a pity party with the things in your life that's not going the way you want them to go. And know that you're still in the hands of God, a God that's promised that he would never leave us, nor would he forsake us. And that gives me a reason to smile. We can smile today in the midst of everything that's going on, in the midst of this storm that we're facing right now. We can still smile. Don't let people see you with tears in your eyes and complaining about what you don't have. But thank God for what you do have and use it to his glory. I'm thankful today just for another day to be in the land of the living. God has and God will take care of you if you just put your trust in him. Be blessed and look up, for help is nigh unto us right now, because we know that God is in control. God bless you, and may he keep you until we meet again.
Okay, so Jocelyn, how do you feel about the coronavirus? You feel sad? Why do you feel sad? People are dying. So if you could change one thing, what would you change? What would you change about the coronavirus? Would you like for it to go away? Okay. Thank you, Jocelyn.
Yeah, here we are, man, just chilling, man, with all this COVID-19 epidemic coming out, sir. So can you tell me, how do you feel about the coronavirus and what you think the government got to do with it?
But what I said about it, it's pass me a Corona, baby. Oh, yeah. Go to the refrigerator so we can get it percolating. Corona, I need it now.
All right.
I don't look right.
Derricka.
No.
Just put your hand up. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand up right here. Look, my hand is right here. Okay, Derricka, what do you know about the coronavirus? I promise my hand is in the way. I promise. I'm gonna let you look at it before I send it.
Okay.
What do you know about the coronavirus?
It's one of the worst pandemics that we had.
And how were you impacted?
Loss of jobs, people lost their lives, things like that. We have to fix the way we live for them.
So what made this personal for you?
I want to be able to go out and go out to eat, go out on the weekends. And I just want to be able to go out and be around people. But you can't do that.
Okay, thank you for your time.
So Miss Nisha, so what do you think about the coronavirus?
Well, I don't think that it's a good thing. If they don't find a way to cure it or treat it, we may be going through this for a very long time.
So how has it affected you in your everyday living?
Well, me personally, I'm sick, so by me having other issues going on with my body, like with my heart, other things like me having asthma, and my daughter she has asthma, so it takes a toll on us. So we won't be able to go and do the things that we normally do. So most of the time I stay in the house anyway.
Okay, so what can you tell the people out there about being safe? How can they keep themselves safe from this epidemic?
First off, wash your hands. Secondly, this is what I do to everybody in my household. Alcohol down, head to toe, fingers, the dough, everything. I don't care what it is.
For your bed.
Everything. But not only that, social distance is very important. Staying away from people. Even if you are around people, give more than 10 feet. I know they say 6, but I think more than 10, because when people sneeze,
that gives them a bigger range of the coronavirus and being able to spread it.
Okay. Well, y'all, that's Miss Nisha. That'll wrap our videos and feeds up for today.
Wake up. Wake up. I done woke up out of my sleep. And ain't no serving the beat. Heard the voice of God and said, follow me. Like shepherds calling for they sheep. I was riding around in them hot cars, had me headed down the wrong street. I was partying hard with them rock stars, had me open the door with no keys. I was in the world of sin with temptation. I was doing devilish deeds for old Satan. Full of greed, I was full of hatred. Disintegrating, I was in the matrix. I was walking dead like Rick Grimes. On a thin line, had me losing time. Had to pump the brakes, had to slow it down. I was circulating around Satan's ground. Wake up. Thought I had everything right. I was living in a world full of hype. I was playing with the devil every night. Parlaying, I was jacking off my life. Snake eyes, I was crapping on the dice. Lakeside, where I first found Christ. Bake time, gotta cook it up right. Wake up. For you are all children of light, children of the day. We are not of the night or of the dark. So then let us not sleep as others do, but let us keep awake and be sober. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 5 through 6. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Gave it all to Christ on that Friday night, cause that world of realm just wasn't vibing right. Repented my sins and confessed his name. I did all that on revival night. Basic instructions before leaving earth. That's the Bible, right? See, that's the word of God. And that's power, right? Cause first the world was dark. And he said, let that be light. Let that be life. Let that be fruitful and let that be right. So I stopped hanging on corners and throwing them dice and smoking that spice. Know I got something that's special about me, the reason that God gave me life. Know I'm a son of a